Hey everyone, so today we're going to be looking at the Atlas of Living Australia, or ala.org.au. I'm on the web page now, but if you can't find the web page, all you need to do is Google search ALA, and it's the top result here. So back to the web page, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to log in, and now I have access to all the data sets that are available on this website. So the ALA gives access to all data sets of species that have been spotted in Australia. So I'm going to search for kangaroo, a native species, keep it simple. What this does after your search is it brings up all relevant searches to your keyword that you've searched. So I have 588 results, but I'm going to stick with the red kangaroo, which is the top result. It then takes you into the species page, which provides you with the scientific name, the name that we know more familiarly, and Aboriginal names for the species as well. If you scroll down a little bit, it brings up images of the species, which you can cycle through, but what we're going to be looking at is the interactive map, which is here. It also gives a lot of other information on the animal about its conservation status, its biology, habitat, diet, colours it's spotted in, and a bunch of other information which you can research. So I'm going to click View Interactive Map, and what this is going to do is it's going to take us to a larger version of that preview, which you can customize within ALA's website. So this is a good way to be able to visualize the data that it's providing you with. So up here it's got the species ticked, which is showing all of the blue point locations of where the animal has been spotted. What you can do is you can change the colors as well, so that you can represent your data differently. And you can also change it to a density grid, which shows up like a heat map. So while that's loading, what I'm going to show you is you can actually add another species to the map as well to overlay it. So now you can see a heat map of where they're more densely populated. We can see that's in South Australia. So I'll click Add to Map, Species, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the bare-nosed wombat, which is the first result here. I'm going to leave everything selected as it is, and I'm going to select Next. And what this is going to do is it's going to overlay the bare-nosed wombat data into the map that already has our red kangaroo data. So I'll go back to the red kangaroo and I'm going to change it back to points. And now you can see here the different data sets overlapping on one another. I've selected green and blue. You can also change the opacity of where the data is. I'll change this back to red so it stands out more. And that's it. That's how you visualize the data of different species within the ALA website. What you can do is you can also export a CSV file of the data and import it into a third-party app, which I'll show you in another video.